Your Roomba is trapped behind my shoes and bag. I'll save you, Roomba. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Go, Roomba. Yeah. Oh, it's a rare Roomba. It's holding a prize. Go ahead, take it. How about one of these? Sup, yo? Man, he wants to put his kicks on too, man. How do we do this, man? Just put them on my damn feet. But Roomba, you ain't got no feet. It's like, just put them on, man. It's like that. Like, just tie it on the side or something. Alright. What the? Hey, man. Hey, man. Can I have that? Thank you. I swear. Yeah, man, he really wants to clean. Let him clean. Okay, it is. I'm getting the room's way, I guess. Okay. Come on. This remote sucks, man. Yeah. Turn right. Sorry, man. No, the other way. There you go, this way. No, this way, man. Drunk, man. Yeah. I know, man. I'm sorry. Here. There you go.
Error. 1. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart.
I don't know about this. What if I hit that? Okay, so then clean. Okay. That's not a button. What is that? Maybe it is. Come on, Roomba. You're gonna be okay. That's not a button. That is a display. I think I just got some XP for that one, right? Whew. Whoa! Run away from the Roomba.